It was the finals of the Miss UTECH pageant at the University of Technology. Let's check out the highlights.
You already know the program. You went wrong the tongue. They say you're a monster. A monster. Why now? Why now? Show them your good girl. Dip, pon it, 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 dip, pon it. Wind up your waist, girl. Just pon it, dip, pon it, dip, pon it, dip, pon it, dip, pon it.
First time in 6 years pageant is being held. Why was it brought back this year?
Okay, so marketing seminar is a final year course, and as marketing students we have to raise money for a seminar day. However, we used to have a faculty pageant instead of a school pageant, so we decided to bring it back because when we include all the faculties, that means more money, more revenue, and it's, as I said before, it goes towards our seminar day. For our auditions we had over 60 girls. And the president of the university is actually very happy that we decided to bring it back, and it is a worldwide brand, and look out for it. It will continue for years to come.
How are the girls being judged?
Okay, the girls are being judged in swimwear, evening gown, and interviews. They did the personality interview previously, and some of them are shown here throughout our highlights. So that's how they're judged. They're judged based on intelligence, not just outer look. In case you haven't noticed, we have plus size girls, slim girls, in between girls. It's not about your size, it's about your brain.
It's a huge crowd here tonight. Did you anticipate a huge turnout of patrons?
Absolutely. Based on the ticket sales, definitely. And the contestants, they were coming back. We need more tickets, we need more tickets. So far, we didn't, to the point where we ran out of tickets completely, and we had to have a list. That's how much.
Would you say mission accomplished?
Yeah, we had some hiccups, but we're marketers, we know how to spin it. That's the best way to put it.
SKK is a unique brand, right? So why not partner with something that is unique? Of course, it's UTECH. And of course, I was a sponsor for Miss Universe Jamaica. I had a contest by Charlene Radlin who won the competition. So why not give back to UTECH, give back to hospitality, give back to UTECH? Why not SKK to be the title sponsor?
I am a past marketing seminar student, and we want to launch Cashways on campus, and we thought that marketing seminar would be the perfect vehicle to build brand awareness on campus.
I've entered this competition because I want to be an ambassador for my school, and it has been an excellent experience so far.
I entered Miss UTECH this year because one of their core movements is volunteerism, and volunteerism is very important to me because I think that we should all give back.
I've gained confidence and I've gained knowledge. I've met a lot of people, and trust me, this has been a wonderful journey.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
The ovaries, the one, the skin, and the O's, and the only time I get the shut when you're gonna work.
our third and final commercial break. When we get back, it's all about the Caribbean video, and we salute Lady Saw.